Hi everyone! Na-miss nyo ba ako? Because I also miss you guys. Charot! Kala mo naman ang tagal-tagal na wala. And look at the tan line. Alam mo kapag nagbabiyaya ako, I want everyone to see my tan line because that's starting of a new conversation. Like, where have you been? Oh, just a mid-June escapade in, some areas in Thailand or in Bangkok. But I'm here because I want to talk about my favorite perfume in Malaysia. Binuksan ko na. This is an Orchid one. Legendary Orchid Malaysia. Orchid is the scent or the name of the scent. Ganito siya kaliit. Okay? Pero stay with me. This is 30 ml. You know why I picked this? Because it's good for traveling. Di ba? Hanggang 100 ml lang ang pwede sa sa hand carry mo. So this is so perfect. And look at the bottle. It's so cute. It's so amazing. Alam mo, parang feeling ko magiging signature scent ko na siya because isa, dalawa, and you're all good. Kanina nga kay gising ko lang, naaamoy ko pa rin siya. And wala lang, nag-impake kasi ako ng gamit ko because I'll be traveling outside Kuala Lumpur. And natutuwa talaga ako dito. Super, promise. Ewan ko ba. So I highly recommend this na gamitin ninyo. There are a lot of scents na pwede nyong puntahan. They have locations in Sasa, KLIA 2. They also have a website, Shopee, Lazada. Ano pa ba? The newest store that they have is in Pavilion. Super grateful for them. Ang bango. I swear. Pag naamoy niyo yung orchid, maaalala niyo, this is her Evangelista scent. Ganun siya katindi. Like kapag gumanon ako, tapos nahanginan ako ng bonggang-bongga, alam mong paparating na ako because that's the signature smell that I want everybody to know. This is Legendary Perfume Malaysia. And thank you for sending a lot of gifts to me. Thank you so much. Mwah. Bisitahin niyo sila sa Pavilion, 5th floor.